Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss further updates from our channel. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back to our channel Park Techniques, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can earn money through a very amazing website, Fiverr.com. You can earn money online and you can earn money in dollars, and you can earn $10 to $15 a day through Fiverr.com by working on it. You just have to first of all log in or sign up, and then you have to set up your profile. You have to add profile picture, and then you have to add a description. Description is basically the skills which you can do. You have to add skills, the skills which you can do. For example, I have written here I'm a graphic designer and a virtual assistant, and I will add that, and I am a freelancer. This platform is absolutely amazing and awesome and helpful for the freelancers. And then you can add languages, the languages which you can speak. For example, I will add German, and then you can add the language level. This means that how much you can speak. You can speak fluently or native, basic. So I will just click on basic and add it. So these are the languages, and these all will be displayed to the customers or buyers, and they will able to know that what are the languages which you can speak. So they will talk to you accordingly to these languages which you know. So here you can link your accounts, your Facebook account, your Twitter account, and all these other accounts, so that your customer and buyer watches it and just see it and can contact you. And here you can add your skills. For example, content writing or voice talent and all these. For example, if you are a freelancer, then you can write that let's see, suggestion, article writing. And here you can add your experience level. I am an expert in article writing, so I will just click on expert and add it. And then you can also add email marketing. Your experience level should be expert if you are a freelancer, and then you can add it. And all skills you can add here, so that these skills will be displayed to your customer, and your customer can hire you and give you money by seeing your skills accordingly to your skills. So, and then you can here add education, your country, your college, your university, your year of graduation. And here you can add your certification. For example, certified from Adobe Photoshop. And your customer or buyer will hire you accordingly to your education, based on your education and certification, and will give you money, and you can earn money online. Here at this free space, your gigs will be displayed, and if you want to create a new gig, then you have to click on this button, create a new gig. Gigs are basically advertisements or ads which shows your customer that what are the packages or services which you are providing. So first of all, if you want to create a gig, you have to add your first name and last name. Then you have to add a profile picture to attract your customers, and then you have to write a description. In description you have to write that what are your skills and what are your services that you can provide to your customers. And then you have to add your languages, that in which language you can talk to your customer. Then you have to add your professional info, for example, professional skills, professional info. And then you have to add your linked account so that your customers can contact you. And then you have to add account security, and then your gig will be created, and your customers can see your gig and hire you based on your education and certification and your skills. For example, I will show you a gig here so that you can have an idea that how gigs are made, what are gigs and what are advertisements and all of these. So I will show you a gig. There are so many gigs because so many people, so many freelancers are using this Fiverr.com so that they can work and earn money online. For example, this is a guy, Ryanunan, it's his name, and this is his title. I will create videos and manage your YouTube channel, and it's his video, and this is his description, and this description is totally based on this title. For example, here it is written, I will create videos, and here in description he is describing it. For example, here it is written, I'm a video production manager with over 6 years of professional video editing experience. So here he is describing his skills and his title, and platform type is YouTube, and here it is the biodata and biography of this particular seller. He is from South Africa. Superb. And here are his packages: package 1, package 2, package 3, basic, standard, premium. Basic is lower and premium is higher. For example, you can see here silver, startup, YouTube novice. This is the lower type. So, and delivery time is also very less, 14 days, just 14 days, and that's why he's taking less money. He's taking only 23,769 Pakistani rupees. But second package, the standard one, is a little bit higher. It's gold one, gold startup YouTube amateur, and the delivery time is basically 21 days, and he is taking more money, 55,460 Pakistani rupees. And the last one is premium, diamond YouTube expert, and this one the delivery time is 30 days, management duration is 30, and the price is also higher, 93,490 Pakistani rupees. So here you can earn, by this platform you can earn 10 to 15 at least a day, $10 to $15 at least a day you can earn through this platform, Fiverr.com. So these are the packages. These will be displayed to your customer, and your customer can see it and hire you accordingly to these packages. If a customer wants a basic one, so he will hire you for a basic one, and will give you 23,769. If he wants a standard one, so he will hire you for a standard. And you can add all these things. You can add description of all three packages, then you can just tick the ones in which you are expert and the things which you can do, and you can write your number of platforms as well, management duration as well, delivery time as well, and your money as well, your demand as well, that what is your demand, how much money you want to take. So all you can write here, and you can earn money. And here your gigs will be displayed, your other gigs will be displayed, and these are the reviews, the customers which hired this guy for working and gave money. So they are just appreciating that guy, that he is true professional and super talented, and he is definitely one of the best in the business, and he is sincere and friendly to work with, and on top of that he provides an excellent and product 5 stars all the way. This is a comment from United States, this one is from Netherlands, this one is from Greece, this one is from Austria, and this one is from Austria as well. So this is how gig is created, which attracts your customers or buyers so that they can hire you and give you money and appreciate you, and you can work for them and you can earn money. So in this video we told you the basic thing about Fiverr.com for new beginners and for the workers who wants to work and earn money online with so ease. This video is for them and it will definitely help them. So thank you guys, subscribe our channel and like this video. Thank you, Jazakallah.